Hi my loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another exciting video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how I achieved this makeup look right here. This is such a simple makeup look I have created till now. Also guys, this video is going to be so helpful for the people who are beginner and who really have no idea about how to do makeup, and I have kept everything so simple and so easy to achieve at the same time. So if you guys are interested to know, then please keep on watching, and also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so I have already done my skincare routine. Now I'm quickly going to apply this MAC Prep and Prime to hydrate and to prime my face. Now guys, for my foundation, I'll be mixing up both of these foundation. One is from Maybelline and another one was from NYX. I'll mention the shade name in the bottom bar, so do check it out. Now I'm going to warm it up little bit, and then I'm just going to apply it all over my face with the help of my finger, and then I'm just going to blend it out with the help of a beauty blender. So guys, why I have mixed both of this foundation, because both of this foundation doesn't matches to me, so I thought कि मैं दोनों को mix करके अपना एक proper shade बना लूँगी. Next up guys, I'll be applying a concealer, and I'm going to use my very favorite concealer, which is from the brand called Pack, and I am in the shade 03 Sand, and I'm just going to apply this on the usual places like around my eyes, my forehead, bridge of my nose, and around my mouth. And I really like this concealer because this is such an amazing and full coverage concealer. Next up guys, with the help of this Real Technique brush, I'm just going to blend out everything, and you guys can already see ये कितना easily blend out हो जाता है. And guys, with that it gives such a nice matte finish to my under eyes, which I really like. Next up guys, to set everything into place, for that I'm going to use this Maybelline's Fit Me Compact Powder, and I'm just going to set the usual places with the same brush, like under my eyes and all the places where I have applied the concealer. Next up guys, I'm going to take this large brush, which is a stippling brush, and I'm just going to set the rest of the area like below my cheekbones and little bit on my forehead. Next up guys, to add some life to my face, for that I'm going to use this palette from Maybelline, and this is their Master Contour palette, and from this palette I'm going to pick this bronzy shade, and I'm just going to bronze up the outer perimeter of my face, like my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, and also I'm gonna do the nose bronzing as well, just to look everything sharp. Now guys, again going back to the same stippling brush, and I'm just going to swirl it all over my face just to tone down anything which I have extra on my face. Next up guys, just to add some color on my cheeks, for that I'm going to use my Color Bar Matte Illusion blush, and I'm just going to apply this on the apple of my cheek, and then I'm going to blend it out until everything becomes soft and diffuse. Next up guys, going back to the same palette, from this palette I'm going to pick this highlighter shade, and then I'm going to apply that on the highest point of my face, like my cheekbones, my brow bone, and on my forehead, on my cupid bow, and also on my chin. Also I'm going to highlight my nose as well, so I'm just gonna make a exclamation mark with this pencil brush. Next up guys, I'm gonna groom my eyebrow. For that I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara, and then I'm going to run the spoolie in the same direction where my hair grows. Also guys, I'll keep repeating the same thing because I want a maximum deposition of product on my eyebrow. Now guys, I'm going to do my eye makeup. For that I'm going to use this eyeshadow stick from the brand called K Beauty, and this is in the shade Blush. Now I'm going to apply this shade all over my crease, also on my outer V, and this shade is going to act like my transition shade. Also guys, with the help of this fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend out everything. Now guys, I have built up the same shade more because I wanted more pigmentation on my crease. Next up guys, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold, and then I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid, like on the 1/3 of my eyelid, and you guys can see it gives such a nice wet look to my eyes. Next up guys, I'll be picking up the same brush, and I'm just going to diffuse the harsh edges. And then guys, I'll be picking up this Makeup Revolution chocolate palette, and from this palette I'm going to pick this pink shade right here, and then I'm going to buff this shade on my crease and on my outer V more. Now with the help of this fluffy brush, I am just going to buff everything out in a inward and outward motion. Now for my lower lash line, again I'm going to pick the same eyeshadow stick, and I'm just going to apply this, and then with the help of this small fluffy brush I'm just going to blend out the edges. Next up I'm going to tightline my waterline. For that I'm going to use this kajal from the brand called K Beauty, and I'm just going to apply this on my waterline, and I really like this kajal by the way. Next up, to highlight my tear duct, product and to brow bone. For that I'm going to use the same highlighter from the same palette. And then next up guys, I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and for my mascara I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm just going to coat my top and bottom lashes with the same. By the way guys, the mascara tube is completely empty and I'm really trying hard to use it as much as possible. Now guys, for my lipstick I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature lipstick. Oh my god, this is so hard to pronounce all the time. And then I'm going to apply this all over my lips, and yes guys, here with that I complete my whole look. I hope you find this video helpful, interesting and informative, and if you really did so, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.